Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Grandpa Mark's Hobbies and a What's in the Box. Today, instead of a model kit or anything like that, I've had a ton of people that are just starting out doing their lights on their cars, and they're asking me, what soldering iron do I recommend? Well, I don't. I'm not the person to ask that. I am a horrible uh, person to solder. I don't even know what you a solderer. Um, But DG on our group page picked one of these up, and he said it's pretty good. So I picked one up too, pulled it out of the box yesterday, and charged it. Put the tip on it. It comes with three different tips. This is the pointy tip. It has uh, like a flat tip. There we go. Just a flat tip and a chisel tip. So, and they just push right on the ends like a little O-ring that sets them in. It'll actually say or give you a warning if your tip's not in right. They give you a little bit of solder and a little stand with some, a miniature sponge on the inside. So let's turn this on. Like I said, it took about an hour to charge last night. We'll fire it up. It says off. When you just push the button, we'll push and hold it. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Now it's heating up. I'm going to bring it up to 716. We'll just let it roll up. It does not take long. I have very little to solder right now, but I did want to show you this. So I'm going to flux up a couple of pieces of USB cable wire that I'll use for powering something. And we'll tin them, I guess. We're climbing quick. This will do Fahrenheit or Celsius, depending on whatever your preference is. And there we go. That didn't take long to heat up. Like I said, it's rechargeable. And I don't have my goggles on today, so let's see what we get here. Nice. I just put it in that water to see what it'll do, and it held temperature pretty decent, or at least it's saying it is. Let me grab my helping hands here. And I don't even have a number or anything for this. I just picked it up off of Amazon. It was $16. And I didn't think that was too darn bad. And I just went to pull my visor down. So let's see if I can tin this. And yes, I can. All right, so it works. We don't need any know any more than that, right? uh, I don't know anything about. I don't like that holder, but I do like the soldering iron. I don't know how long it's going to last. Usually, when I'm soldering something, it's maybe 15 minutes at the most. So if it'll make 15 minutes, I'm good with that. But it sure gets hot quick. Now, I think it's another 3 seconds to turn it off. There we go. And it's cool to the touch, right? I can just squeeze it. No. But that'll work. Very nice. When I get into doing the lighting again, I'll bring this up. But shoot, I could tin the wires with it. I should be able to solder with it too, right? So there we go. A real quick one. Let's say thank you to our active duty people, our veterans, and our first responders. I salute each and every one of you for putting it out there. I want to thank Gallery for everything they've done If you want to get anything from them, jump on their page. The descriptions, or it's in the description below, and put Grandpa Mark in the coupon code to get yourself 10% off. Let's not forget about our first annual breast cancer awareness 24-hour build, October 11th, 2025, with myself, Lennis, Zach, Bruce, Jason, and about 3,000 other people, I think. This is getting way bigger than I expected it to. And with that, we're back to the home page. I'll let everybody go. I just wanted to show everybody what I got. And maybe you like it, maybe you don't need it, but it's just something cool that really takes up a lot less room on my desk than my other one. So with that, I'll let you go. Y'all have a great day, a better tomorrow, and thank you very much for watching.